good evening ma'am. So, I'm presenting to you ang United Nations Development Program. So, ang overview nito is itinatag noon 1965 bilang Development Agency ng United Nations. Layunin din nitong tulungan ang mga bansa na mabawasan ang kahirapan at makamit ang sustainable development. Nakipagtulungan ito sa mga pamahalaan at iba't ibang organisasyon upang mapabuti ang kalidad ng buhay ng mga tao. At meron din itong 5 tungkulin, pangunahing tungkulin. Una, ang pagbawas ng kahirapan. Pangalawa, pagsusulong ng good governance. Pangatlo, pangangalaga sa kalikasan at climate action, gender equality, at disaster recovery at community resilience. So, sa ganyang paraan, yan ang mga katangian ng United Nations Development Program upang ang isang bansa ay tinutulungan nila para umunlad. At isa pang importanteng bagay ng UNDP na ang mga bansa ay magkaroon ng Sustainable Development Goals upang magkaroon ng mas maunlad, ligtas at napamanatiling kinabukasan. And also, na siya ay tulo ka main focus area no, na makaingon ta na pinaagi ani is mas mo-sustain or ang development sa usa ka bansa. Una is ang sustainable development. Sa sustainable development, it is a way of improving people's lives by meeting the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Sa direct na istorya is ang sustainable development is mao ni siya ang mga butang na nagadevelop sa usa ka tawo na siyang needs na dili na niya kailangan maghunahuna kung unsa pa iyahang kailangan buhaton tungod kay ang sustainable development is na sustain na daan ang iyang mga needs sa wala pa. Kumbaga na sustain na iyang needs sa present times pa lang niya until sa future generations na ma-meet ang iyang needs. Kadua is ang climate disaster resilience. Climate disaster resilience means helping people in communities prepare for, respond to, and recover from the effects of climate change and natural disasters. So, ang layunin po ani ng UNDP is mutabang sa mga nasalanta sa mga bagyo, unsa man na climate disaster dira, mutabang sila, maghatag sila og mga preparation bago daan moabot ang calamity. Then pag moabot ng calamity, magkaroon na pud sila og another response and help to recover the effects of the climate change and also the natural disasters in a certain country. And also the third is democratic governance and peace building, which means helping countries build a government that is fair, transparent, accountable, and responsive to its people, while also promoting peace, justice, and stability in communities. So, example ng democratic governance in peace building is ang UNDP nagabuild pod sa usa ka nasod or nagahatag og ideas unsaon mo build, no, gina-help niya other countries na mag-build og fair na government, transparent and accountable. But sad to say, in the Philippines, there is no fair government and also transparent and accountable because those politicians are engaging and baga kanya-kanya sila og kana ganing mga political needs and also promoting peace, wala na peace ug justice, bantog nagkagubot na. That's why, pero mao ni siya ang gina-promote sa UNDP, pero sad to say wala siya na kuan ron nakitan ang UNDP. So in conclusion, the UNDP United Nations Program plays a vital role in helping countries achieve long-term development and improve the quality of life of their people through its focus on sustainable development, democratic governance, and peace building, climate disaster resilience. The UNDP supports countries in addressing poverty, strengthening institutions, promoting peace, and preparing communities for the challenge of climate change and natural disasters. By working with governments and communities, the UNDP contributes to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals and building a more peaceful, resilient, and sustainable future for everyone. That's all my report, ma'am.